Hello everyone, Alex here. Before we shop, here are the key phrases for today.
And Emma here. Let's go. 1. Where can I find the milk? 2. How much does this cost? 3. Is this on sale? 4. I'd like half a kilo of apples, please. 5. Do you accept credit cards?
6. Can I have a bag, please? 7. Excuse me, where is the checkout? 8. I think this price is wrong. 9. Can I get a receipt, please? And 10. Thank you, have a nice day.
Now, let's jump into the episode.
Hello and welcome to Knowvera English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Alex, are you ready to go grocery shopping?
Always, Emma, but first, if you're new here, please subscribe to Knowvera English. Hit that button so you don't miss our practical lessons.
Yes, today we're talking about the grocery store. Buying food, finding items, and making payments.
Because shopping in English can be confusing. So many aisles, so many products.
So many people blocking the way. But with these 10 phrases, you will feel confident.
Let's start with phrase 1. Where can I find the milk?
This is the most useful question in a grocery store. You say, where can I find the milk? Or where are the eggs?
You can also say, excuse me, where's the bread aisle? Aisle is the long row of shelves.
And the worker will say, aisle 3 or in the back of the store. Easy.
Phrase 2. How much does this cost?
Sometimes there is no price tag, or you can't read the small numbers, so you ask, how much does this cost?
You can point to the item and say, how much is this? Very simple.
One time I asked and the price was so high, I just put it back. No shame.
That's fine. You don't have to buy everything.
Phrase 3. Is this on sale?
On sale means cheaper than usual. Maybe there's a red tag or a sign, but you can ask to be sure.
Say, is this on sale or is there any discount today?
If yes, you save money. If no, you decide if you still want it.
Phrase 4. I'd like half a kilo of apples, please.
In many grocery stores, you can buy fruits, vegetables, or meat by weight. You say how much you want.
For example, I'd like 1 kilo of rice, please, or half a kilo of chicken, please.
You can also say, can I have 500 grams of cheese? Emma loves cheese.
Yes, I do. So practice numbers like half, 1, 2 kilos.
Phrase 5. Do you accept credit cards?
At the checkout, you need to pay. Some shops only take cash, some take cards, some take phone payments.
So ask, do you accept credit cards? Or can I pay with my phone?
If they say no, you need cash. So always carry a little cash just in case.
I learned that the hard way. No cash, no card, just sad Alex.
Poor Alex.
Phrase 6. Can I have a bag, please?
In many countries, you have to pay for plastic or paper bags, or you bring your own.
So ask, can I have a bag, please? Or how much is a bag?
You can also say, I don't need a bag, I have my own. That's better for the environment.
Good point, Emma.
Phrase 7. Excuse me, where's the checkout?
Sometimes the store is huge. You have your items, but you can't find where to pay. Don't walk around forever.
Say, excuse me, where's the checkout? Or where do I pay?
The worker will point. Then you go, wait in line, and pay.
And try not to get in the wrong line. There's always a slow line.
Yes, the line with the person paying with coins. Avoid that one.
Phrase 8. I think this price is wrong.
Mistakes happen. Maybe the computer scans the wrong price, or the tag says one price, but the screen shows another.
So politely say, I think this price is wrong. The tag says $2, but it's scanned for $3.
The cashier will check and fix it. Don't be angry, just be polite.
Yes, most mistakes are not on purpose, but always check your receipt.
Phrase 9. Can I get a receipt, please?
A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Some people don't want it, but sometimes you need it.
For example, if you need to return something, you show the receipt, or if your employer pays for the food.
So say, can I get a receipt, please? Or I need a receipt, thank you.
And phrase 10, thank you, have a nice day.
Always end with kindness. After you pay, say, thank you, have a nice day, smile.
It makes the cashier feel good, and maybe next time they will be extra nice to you.
A little kindness is free, and it works everywhere.
Okay, let's review. Emma, I'll say the situation, you say the phrase.
Let's go.
You can't find the milk.
Where can I find the milk?
You want to know the price of something.
How much does this cost?
You see a red tag and want to know if it's cheaper.
Is this on sale?
You want half a kilo of apples.
I'd like half a kilo of apples, please.
You want to pay with a credit card.
Do you accept credit cards?
You need a shopping bag.
Can I have a bag, please?
You are ready to pay but can't find the checkout.
Excuse me, where's the checkout?
The scanned price is different from the tag.
I think this price is wrong.
You want the paper receipt.
Can I get a receipt, please?
After paying, you say,
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect, Emma. You're a grocery shopping expert now.
I've had a lot of practice.
Listen, everyone, before we go, please subscribe to Knowvera English, hit that button, share this episode with someone who goes to the grocery store. That's everyone.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just try 1 or 2 phrases next time you shop.
Thanks for listening. Alex and Emma out.
Bye-bye. Happy shopping.
Bye.